Mr. Suryaveer Bhullar, how happy are you with the way this tournament has progressed?
Oh, I'm extremely happy. I think this has just raised the benchmark for tournaments, not only in India but I think the world over. It's like the venue is iconic, the arrangements are phenomenal, the level of play that's been watched is superb. So this is going to do a lot of good for India and Indian players.
And to have 750 players under one roof and then have the Indians also playing against them, some of our Indians beating them as well. So that in itself has been a fantastic experience.
Our Indian players are like really doing well, and I'm so happy to see them beating some of the top pros. And I think it's not far before we start dominating the world stage in pickleball.
And there are countries that are, of course, playing pickleball. Pickleball is very popular there. But, as the president of IPA, give us a perspective when we talk about the Indian scene. How popular is it, and how much can the popularity increase with tournaments like PWR, Duper India Masters?
So, pickleball has been growing at a phenomenal rate in India. In fact, I believe last year we grew at 159%. So it's growing like crazy. I come from Ahmedabad. We have 300 courts in Ahmedabad, pickleball courts in Ahmedabad. And I think as of now it's the capital of pickleball. And I see that happening in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai. So it's really growing. Of course, I want to take this to the grassroots also, to smaller cities. And this partnership with PWR, I think, is going to help us do that. Pranav Kohli and his team are a huge support to IPA, and our aim is in the next 2 years to take this sport to schools and to all the smaller cities, build infrastructure, create courts, provide equipment. So that's our plan.
And one thing that all players say, whether they're Indian or foreigners, is how pickleball appeals to all ages, from 5 years to 70 years old. So, would you want to send a message to everyone out there to come, pick up a racket, and at least try the sport?
Absolutely. I'm 55. I weigh 120 kilos, and I play pickleball. I played 4 events over here. I've been traveling all over the world to play tournaments. So, anyone can come and pick up the sport. We have an academy in Ahmedabad where I have 5-year-olds coming to play, and I have an 80-year-old coming to play. So I think this is a game that anyone can come and pick up and play. It's a great cardio workout. So come play pickleball.
Thank you, sir, and wish you all the very best for day 4 as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you.